Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with new amazing video. Dear friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's I am going to show you very attractive and most demanding and most beautiful crochet pattern design collections with different and unique color combination, very attractive and very beautiful, most demanding colors combination and very attractive designs with awesome look, very amazing style, very beautiful designs. Elegant and modern style, marvelous look, beautiful colors, very trendy color combination ideas. I must suggest do you watch this video till the end. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. All designs are so superb classic. If you want to buy these beautiful designs, so visit Amazon.com, AliExpress.com, and you can buy easily all designs. Dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on all social media accounts. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. In the comment sections to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. If you want to buy this beautiful design, so visit Amazon.com and different websites. You can easily buy all designs with different colors and different sizes. If you want to get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah khair. We will be right back.